We're rolling. Rolling it. Look here. Wait for the team to leave the airfield. There we go. We got this. Or ride the bulldozer. Anybody want to drive the bulldozer? Look here, watch this. Ooh, baby! I seen this on YouTube. No, I can't. It won't let me. Oh, my bulldozer's on fire.
Get away from it. You're gonna die.
Wait, I have to get in with
don't
you.
Stay in it.
I'm out.
Take a team life.
It's my bulldozer's on fire.
Get out! It's gonna blow up and kill you.
Wait, let me get in with these guys and call the police. Or the fire guys.
Drive into the water.
I never thought I could have drove it into the water. Contacts. Where's the fire department? Oh, the fire department's not in here. Oh, I could call 911. What happened? I'll call the insurance company and tell them I want my bulldozer fixed.
Morse Mutual Insurance. How can we help you?
My bulldozer's on fire, but I need it insured. They hung up on me. They hung up on me.
Couldn't help.
My bulldozer's on fire. I just wanted it insured. Call her back. Hang up on me. Sorry, she can't help. Here we go. I'm gonna call the mutual insurance people. Get my bulldozer insured.
Morse Mutual.
Hello, I need my bulldozer. It's on fire, but I need it insured. How much would that cost me? Hello. Hello. Claim all.
I'll do my best.
Thank you. I want my bulldozer fixed. You have a great day. Appreciate you. Team Sexy. Well, got my bulldozer insured.